Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create and customize a timeline view to visualize your projects and tasks chronologically. There are a few ways to add a timeline, but let's start by clicking this menu button with 3 dots at the bottom of your page. You could also type /timeline as a shortcut, or convert an existing table if you prefer. Perfect! Now select Timeline from the options that appear. Here you'll choose whether to create a fresh timeline database or connect one you've already built. Let's go ahead and click New Timeline. And just like that, you've got your timeline set up. Each of these cards represents an item that you can click on and modify individually. Give your timeline items meaningful names and add any details or properties you need to track. Scheduling is easy too. Just drag any card along the calendar to change when it occurs. You can also grab the edges of any card to extend or shorten its duration. There are tons of other customization options to explore, so feel free to make this timeline work exactly how you need it to. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to build and customize timelines to keep your projects organized and on track.